Let's look at the defense pack, and a BEL has seen some strong strides over the last couple of trading sessions. If you just pull up a 5-day or even a 1-month chart of BEL, you'll see the kind of gains coming in there. Today itself, 4.5% up move, and this is coming in on strong volumes as well. 26-27% is the kind of gains. Do you think this is the time to book profits on a BEL, or are you seeing further upside? Because the kind of strides BEL is making, the others from the pack are not that strong.
Look, BL, as you rightly mentioned, is one of the strongest names in terms of its placement on the charts. It has given a very strong monthly breakout at the levels of 340, and that's the reason you are seeing volumes backing the strong price momentum in the stock. So I believe there is no reason to worry about booking out profits because the long-term targets are probably significantly ahead or higher than where we are right now. It is just from a short-term perspective as to pinpointing where exactly there may be some profit booking. But as I see the charts right now, there is no any signal of a major profit booking around the corner. So 360 is the short-term base which the stock is setting up, and I believe if you are looking to pinpoint levels where there can be some bit of profit booking, probably the estimate initially is 390, 395 might be a probable levels where the stock might see some bit of a resilience. So maintaining a positive view with the support of 360 on BEL.
Okay, the other one which is doing well in trade today on the back of numbers, Akshay, is a PFC. The numbers were strong, net interest income came in better than expected, and that's led to a little bit of a beat when it comes to the profit after tax number. Credit cost was slightly elevated in comparison to what was penciled in, and that is because of KSK Mahanadi's right back, which was expected to come through. Need more details on how that credit cost number has been arrived at and how that has played out. PCR, which is provisioning coverage ratio, has gone up. You're seeing a 2% uptick on the counter. Akshay, would you trade a PFC?
Yeah, definitely. I think the result numbers which we have seen a few minutes back, the numbers look good on the face, and even the initial reaction of the stock has been positive. If I were to see levels for this stock, I think last few trading sessions clearly suggest that 400 is a very strong support for PFC. So we have a good support in place. Now it's just about the momentum getting back in the stock. In all likelihood, if this momentum gets back, we can look forward for targets of 440 to 450 from a short-term perspective. Place strict stop loss below 400 on this trade, but 440 seems to be in the making very soon for PFC.
With a PFC, Akshay, how are you looking at a REC as well?
Well, honestly, if I were to compare the two, I think REC technical setup is more neutral. It's not weak though, but somewhere 380-85 zone is a small support. Obviously, if PFC has to recover or move from here, REC too will join the party. But I believe the gains should be more in PFC or REC. So if REC does recover, 415 is the upside you can look forward to. But given a choice, I think PFC is better placed, and one should consider PFC or REC in the current price setups on the charts.
So PFC, Harsh, preferred over a REC, and both the charts look exactly like mirror copies right now if you see the screens in terms of the intraday ones.